All right, old RPM back here with you. So anyway, I just heard from my buddy J Dub. He was looking at a couple of my videos. These are my first kind of vlog video. Well, I've done it before, but not for do-it-yourself shit. But anyway, it's dark outside as you can see. But I'm gonna venture out there in that hole. I'm gonna go through that hole, go around the other side over here in the back of the house, and I'm gonna put that damn wire through the hole. And I drink me some water. Gotta grab my midget ladder. And I'm gonna take y'all with me. That's what people do when they make videos. When they edit shit, make it look good. Mine's gonna look like shit, sound like shit. I ain't gonna edit. I'm just gonna straight up just shoot the damn video. Or as Hank Hill would say, the video. So anyway, if you haven't seen my other videos, I was shooting all this shit in one day. I don't know how to pause this, I ain't doing that shit. Stupid. I could just move the other ladder that's sitting right there, but oh, let me show you something. You'll like this. So I got this sumbitch right here. This is a Streamlight. So this could be the review on the Streamlight. I bought this sumbitch so I could work on cars and stuff. It's got a magnetic base on it. It's a Streamlight. It's like $120. I mean, this sumbitch is expensive. But it's got this LED wand on it like this, see. And you push the button and you get this side. You push the button again and you get that side. But it's not a flashlight, but look at how well it lights up stuff, right? I mean, there's something that's kicking, ain't it? It looks pretty good. Yeah, so just real quick. So there's a unit up there. Still got to hook up my pipes and shit. But see how I drove my hole? My hole came right through just about perfect. See the hole right underneath the unit? Right. I'm aiming at it right there. See the hole? So now I got to take all that wire, extension cord, and I'm going to shove it through the hole. I'll go on the other side and pull it through. But I found a little thing. There's your fuse thing, not your fuse, but it's actually just it's a link, for linking the hot and the cold and all that shit. Anyway, this sumbit's magnetic, but this tripod is aluminum, so it ain't gonna work. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stick this sumbitch right here on my other heat pump, and I'm gonna go like that, so y'all can see me fall. That'll work, won't it? Now I'm gonna try, very much so try. Oh shit. So let me see if this tilts. My damn tripod. And I paid $5 for this thing at the damn Goodwill. Don't tell me I wasted my money. Yeah, I wasted my money. Anyway, I'm gonna try to sit the phone. Oh man. I could turn it sideways and it'll work, but all right, maybe that'll sit there and record. If I don't mash the grass weird. It's just balancing on the end of the case. What does it say? Storage is low. Oh shit, I gotta hurry up. It's I'm shooting in 8K and I'm uploading to the damn YouTubulous. I'm uploading to YouTube with 4K. Man, this ladder is I'm gonna die. Oh, I put the shirt on. Yep, y'all don't need to see me with no shirt. And I twisted my underbritches so that my pecker don't hang out the hole. Twist them a little bit, Anyway, we're gonna make sure this goes all the way through the wall, goes into the garage. I think I got it. Yep. Now I can sit here and push on my midget ladder, or I can go in there and I can pull. So I'm gonna take this sumbitch and I'm just gonna hang it up here for now. I'll put the screws in it in a minute. Anyway, here it goes. I'm coming. Let me make sure it's still recording. Yep, still recording. I need to put me a damn SSD card in that son of a bitch. Had to get my drill, had to pee. I had to pee. Anyway, so the significance of the reason why I wired it up, I wired everything up inside the garage, inside the, you know, on the box. The reason why I did that is because I didn't want to be out here wiring this shit up. So when you get old, you start realizing that it's best to do everything you can standing on flat, dry ground. Alright, done. Now my whip goes up here. I could probably go around like this, I don't give a shit. And hook it up there in the top of the unit. I just lost my damn, you know, anyway, you get the idea. Maybe tomorrow morning I'll come out here and I'll do the rest. And if you're unlucky, I'll video that shit too. So anyway, there's my box. A little bit crooked. That's all right. Who gives a shit? And what's the? I used to say it ain't mine, but this is mine. But I don't give a shit. Anyway, so there's the damn box up there, and then that whip goes around and goes into one of them holes. See them two holes you see right there? Goes into them holes, and then the thermostat wire or inside unit wire goes in the other one. Yep. And then that's done. Oh, I'm not done yet, obviously. Don't even forget, I gotta come out and get I'm by myself. Who the hell am I talking to? Oh, I'll watch this video and I'll remind myself. I gotta get my light. Yeah. So anyway, there's the wire. And then I'll have plenty. I drilled a hole up there and I'll just go through there and then got a hole right here. You can always identify where you drill your holes because you can see the spider webs catching the sawdust and that on the floor. And it'll come all the way over here and I'll do me a knockout in the top right there. Put me a little grommet and I'll wire them some bitches up. And then I'll do a tracer, figure out which one of them two wires it is. And then we'll be ready for wire. I got me a double 15 breaker, I think. I found one out there in the shop. That's something that's made out of gold too, but I didn't have to buy that, I already had it. Anyway, let me check on my DAWG. Teensy, you all right? Teensy says hello. Hey, buddy girl. Teensy's old, but she's the best dog in the world. She's Dawn's dog, and she kind of lets me take care of her, and she's been here for almost 7 years. Storage is low. Tap to manage. You want to go potty? You go outside? See what I'm doing? All right. Bye, y'all. More videos coming. Bye.